We are AlaskOmega, and our curiosity for what lies beyond the horizon is what has transformed us from a specialty ingredients firm to one of the world's leading producers of Marine Stewardship Council certified omega-3 and omega-7 fish oil products from Alaska's Bering Sea. Our unrelenting pursuit of excellence is most visible at our headquarters. It's where our natural fish oils are processed and purified with care, using innovative processes and techniques perfected over 3 generations. AlaskOmega omega-3 and omega-7 concentrates are made from wild-caught Alaskan pollock, sustainably harvested from the pristine waters of the Bering Sea. And if that sounds like a big deal, it's because it is. The Wild Alaska Pollock fishery is one of the largest, most sustainable, and best managed fisheries for human consumption in the world. Our process delivers innovative omega-3 and omega-7 products that have extremely low oxidation levels and the best possible sensory characteristics. At AlaskOmega, we believe in the power of our products to positively impact the world. Our customers can count on us to provide their brands with the freshest omega-3 and omega-7 concentrates available. Whether it's our wild-caught Alaskan pollock source, our world-class NSF-certified GMP manufacturing facility, or our unmatched freshness and purity standards, we work hard to deliver the healthful bounty of Alaska to you and your customers. AlaskOmega, the leader in freshness. To learn more, visit AlaskOmega.com.